yeah, the clouds are already made, huh? Well, friends, so yes, in this lecture we are going to see how we can create clouds using the shape builder tool. So first of all, let me create a new document. Now, first of all, let's create an ellipse. It's really very simple, I'm telling you. And now draw a circle. Now, how we can draw a circle? Select the ellipse tool, come at any point in your document, click and start dragging, and while dragging make sure you hold the shift key just like this, and let's provide a fill color to it like this. Now select the selection tool, alt drag to make a copy of it, alt drag to make a copy of it just like this. Again, alt drag to make a copy of this, and let's make it a little smaller. Alt drag to make a copy of it and make it a little smaller. That's it. Now even here you can draw another ellipse just like this. Okay, now yes, I think you have got the idea, right? So now select all, and now select the shape builder tool and click drag, 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 drag. Yup, and there you go. There you go. Now we have got our cloud. Alt drag, alt drag, alt drag, alt drag, alt drag. There you go. You can even make it a smaller cloud, right? And you can place it somewhere around here. Where is your umbrella? This is gonna rain now. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now another thing is that you can even use the unite method, yes friend, for this. So say for example, let me create, so this is just creating few circles around. I mean, you can create cloud of any shape just by using circles. Isn't that nice, huh? Now let's select all and let's unite, and there you go. You have got your cloud. So that's it, guys. Now I think that you know that how you can work with the Pathfinder and Shape Builder to create advanced shapes. So in this section we have created clouds, we have created logos. Yup, here are our 5 logos that we have created. See, can you believe that using simple tricks we have designed this bus logo, Pac-Man logo, this logo, this again this logo, this leaf logo. So that's it, guys. Just start practicing and you will gain more confidence in these sections. Yes friend. And another thing is left, you know, using width tool. Yes friend, using width tool also we can create complex shapes. One you have already seen, right? Now in our next lecture we will understand the width tool again, and after that lecture we are going to see a really fun project that we will do using only the width tool. Yes friend. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.